do it yet?
Yeah, engage park and brake. And
Wheels.
that's correct. And you can also cancel your signal, because what they're testing you on here is they'll say, please park the vehicle on the hill as if you're going to park it for a long time, like you're going to visit somebody. So when you shut the engine down and all that, you wouldn't keep your signal on, so you just turn the signal off.
Okay. And then, so was I all right turning my wheels this way?
You got her. Yeah,
Okay.
so it'll roll off that way.
Yeah, makes sense.
Instead of down the hill or out in traffic.
That'd be bad.
Okay, step 1 to pull away is straighten the wheels. Yeah. Step 2,
Get ready to go.
ready for takeoff. Step 3,
Here, over the shoulder, and go.
right on. Smog, S-M-O-G. Smog is what cars make. These little acronyms, your little mind tricks, basically, just to help people remember things.
That's smart.
We're gonna make a left turn.
I might go into this a little bit. Sorry about that.
Nice and slow, though. The greater the speed, the greater the damage.
Yeah. Yeah, that problem must have been crazy.
Yeah. Didn't see it. It was starting to get a little bit darker too, so.
Yeah.
At these lights here, we're gonna make a right turn.
When you go past cars, are you supposed to signal?
No, unless there's a yellow line dividing the roadway. If you have to cross a yellow line, then you signal. You'd signal left to go over the line and then right to get back over the line.
I can't really see too well here, so kind of creep a bit.
You don't have to, because there's a 4-way stop sign.
Right.
So yeah.
Keep forgetting.
It's good to be safe though. Like,
Yeah.
you definitely double check, triple check.
Yeah.
But you don't want to like hesitate too long, especially if there's a lot of other traffic. Because if you take like more than 2 seconds, they'll just go right, left turn here.
Yeah.
So I don't often take people out on the main roads here on their first or second hour. But I feel comfortable enough to do that with you. So LaSalle is 50. You want to get your speed up right away and signal right. We're going to make a right lane change.
Yeah, so is it true that you're supposed to usually stay in this lane?
You know why?